Hello, Busianfo. Wasun for Kwame Shumesini. In this video, my betray some of the reasons that contain and no ebe to me a delay. During Christmas, we get a lot of headache. Clients say you contain and you're shipping October, you're shipping in November, you're Moka see a contain and a bedroom before Christmas. And in this video, I just want to provide one or two clarity for you guys. All right, into reason number one, this is more of like a communication and a transparency issue from the shipping company. Yeah, most people think it's when you bedrew or shipping company no warehouse straight away, not almost ship it. And for a shipping company to ship a whole 40-foot container, no, was say omutumi boa CBM nano no munya at least 66 to 68 CBM and so no benya a whole 40-foot container. Into so munya that 68 CBM now omuntume ship it. Into that is where most of the delay comes from. But this is the responsibility of the shipping company, no. So be transparent. Actually, mo say, munyama no anya babedru omo warehouse, but omunya ship here. Nti enye se unyama no kodru warehouse now, then the next day no or more ship it doesn't work that way. That's where most of the delay comes from. Number two, say nyame adom na yenya that 68 CBM na afi ni bookie a container. Ubuki container you are renting, you are not buying. I think so I'll create another video and explain the whole process in regards to how to ship a 40-foot container to Ghana. But in this video no yashisha nyama na wie we have a parking list. I will say it to me maybe a container him. But one issue with most of say EG amount for Yemen is that sometimes the users they don't tell us what sort of goods are or what they are to Yemen. To container never fat na fe you do call China porter. Or more random selection of containers. Into China for customs between a random selection of container no may you contain an in China for you must scan it through nyame will contain him. Into mo share na nyame bi wo ha and yes say a leave China a bit to me cause a lot of delays. This has happened to us several times and it will cause a lot of delays. And the parking list na you didn't more want to say oh nyama we na yeah ship ya bagana no mo share na nyame bi any parking list so now this can also cause a lot of delays. Into customs can also be a major issue when it comes to shipping of the container. Reason number three is to say every shipping company biano and vessel or shipping company ni be use would depend how fast that you be able to get your container. One say with the vessels and you say you ship it from China na or more straight to Ghana ababi u container amount. Ebi ombeko Thailand no me container wo ho na ebi omaba Singapore no me container wo ho so mobile Africa cry ebi ombeko ebia yemfa say Nigeria akoyi container se wo ho and so no maba Ghana ababe container se wo ho. And this can also cause a lot of delays. Another one so they say this is very risky. Un say ebu hana yashemu say oh within 2 months on sabeka container but the vessel no omushia a lot of akwenshia bebre enti vessel no air shape a de container ne be nampo so no you will be a friend of route disruptions said the old drive bia from Accra to Kumasi a onam kwan so no ebia there are some congestions e we pone so ebi o say ebia the Red Sea e yiri omuntumi emfa ho enti so mkofa kwan tenten and I so mutumi stop e kakra enti these are the sort of things it to me a delay container no ever episode. Yeah, it is sometimes vessel no because oh munyaman which me a within say 40 days, but when you better no not 2 months about not 3 months about not still container no cran and yambi drew Ghana and sana ye. Into these are some of the things that it to me a delay. Sometimes crano on the vessel no or share container ni ye. Nti I was so to me stop it now to me arrange containers so there would be container in there and koto eponym. Yes, some percentage of containers sometimes they lose it in the water. Man dodge some sort of storms are what eponym we need better on that. Some containers they will have to lose it. Into these are sort of things that it also causes delays when it comes to you receiving your container in Ghana. Yes, and lastly, say container ninya bedru Ghana nnuanom haha we deɛ momfa nkyɛn the hassle at the port no sɛ wobɛtumi ayi wo container no ɛnyɛ bɛtɛɛ. Yeah, going through like customs, going through like paying for your import duties and the rest, and yeah, easy. Nyaming chadi krana, they scan the container. Namka so, oh, when declare or maybe will contain anymore, that can cause a lot of delays at the ports. Into a drew honosona, sometimes a hassle, the hassle and bustle at Tema Port, it's not easy. Yeah, into sometimes when so container nya be drew. But won't say for shipping fee anything and mamo. That means that into me and clear container no from the port into your there's a lot of delays when it comes to that. And now getting to the end of the year, around Christmas time no, a lot of people are trying to ship their containers into Tema port and now Takrady port and now whichever port you container no or how you choked. So on Sabekano, it can take a lot of time. That's why we always advise customers say, would him say who Christmas goods and you want to ship it, make sure say you've shipped it ahead of time. Maybe July, August crown, then you've already shipped it. But if you wait till last minute and you ship it now, and you want to get your goods, before Christmas, this can be chaotic because we can't control. Some things now is above the shipping company's control. There are some sort of things now we cannot control. If September port are choked and we are not able to get our container on time now, that means there's also going to be some sort of delays in regards to you getting your goods. And these are like one or two things that can cause some delays in regards to you getting your your goods on time. But most partners, I think I blame the shipping companies. We need to be really transparent with our clients. Now you communicate to say, oh, the container is delayed because of so. When it comes to Fofoofo imports now, we are doing a lot of things, to make sure say we give like accurate information in regards to the update in regards to your containers. One of the measure we've done is we've built an awesome online system. You'll be able to track your goods easily wherever goods need. When you go on this online platform now, Rebecca Actual. Into this online platform is going to be buysellclub.org. Nyami Aduma on the 6th of January, we're going to launch it. And you go on buysellclub.org and you'll be able to have updates in regards to your shipping container or in regards to your goods. All right, so that's all for today. My name is Kwame. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And we are bringing you a lot of goodies in 2026. So, shipping company, papa, a trustworthy, a affordable, never mal headache free, then please try for imports. Just go on buysellclub.org and you thank me later. I'll see you guys in 2026. Mema Obibia Afishiapo.